Good morning. Today I'm going to do a review on the Greenworks Pro 3000 Max PSI. We're just now using it for the first time, and I've done a little bit, and it's been really impressive, the work that we've able to accomplish with this thing here without a gas 3500 PSI or so. All right, so we're going to do a quick demo and show you exactly what we're talking about. Now we're here in Florida, so you'll see a lot of mold get on the sidewalks, and maybe the camera can pick it up, but if you look at the rings where I stopped, you can tell the difference where it's been cleaning. Now the sidewalk is kind of damp, so it's kind of, when it dries up, it'll lighten up tremendously. Yeah. I figured the shading would be, but we'll try anyway. Whoop. Here's another point. Always start the power. It helps. Okay. And it's just a push button start. Which I love. Okay, here we go. Oh, by the way, these things are a lifesaver, the disc with wheels, scrubber. And if the camera lady can come up closer, I'll show you the clean lines. You can see the difference right here. There's a big difference right there. Okay, this is maybe 40 bucks in Amazon for that. It's a lifesaver, saves a lot of time. The Greenworks 3000 I got on sale for about, I think it was about $375. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this, and if you're needing a pressure washer, get at least 3000 PSI. The one I had before was 2100 PSI. Really weak for what we need it to do. And yeah, Greenworks is fantastic. They got excellent reviews. And that's it for today. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the ride. Take care now.